Well, hello again. It's Memorial Day, May 27th, Monday, right?
Right.
And so we just wanted to do a follow-up, actually, from her time, Kathy's time, where she received her surgery on Wednesday. So we're talking about 4.5 days since that surgery. How are you feeling?
Pretty good. I'm pretty good.
You're looking great.
I've got a little doobie thing over here.
Can you actually show that a little bit? There are actually these are the pacemakers right here. They're in your chest, right there. Yep.
Yep.
See, when I touch them and feel them, they're actually
hard.
They're hard. and then and they're covered up. And then there's two wires, right, that go up and come up to these, I guess they're plates or something like that. I don't know what's up there. Not sure. And the same over here,
right.
Okay? And then these were the incisions that were made several weeks ago, and those are looking great, and those are going to, you're going in this week, right, to get those incisions taken out, correct?
I believe so.
Okay. And this incision was made last Wednesday, right? Is that the one that they used to kind of help run the wiring down, I think, something like that, right?
I think so, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
But Kathy looks great. And I mean,
no pain.
that first day when you got home.
First day was tough, yeah. It was painful.
It was outpatient, and she came and sat right there in this couch,
and that was about as far as I got.
But your energy level is up, and you're ready to go to the next step, which is taking those sutures out, right?
Exactly.
Okay. Also, you'll see there is a video there where we met with the Medtronics representative at the hospital. She gave us this, right? We're not exactly sure what this is. It says patient programmer. But this device, in about a month, I think you'll take this device in, and they will begin to take this programmer and program the pacemaker.
The pacemaker, yes.
Okay. And then, do you have any idea what, I mean, when they say programming, of course, this is going to be a 2-year process, too, over time, right?
Yes.
So you'll be instructed on how to use this.
or when, or where. Or yes.
Okay.
Yep. So, when they're ready, I guess. Don't hit any of these buttons.
Right. Right. That's right. That's right. All right. Well, you're looking great, and
I am. I feel great.
You feel great, and
let's look at the show on the road.
That's right. The hard part is over with, which is the very painful part, and that's what's exciting. And so now we begin to see how this technology begins to advance, right?
Exactly.
Outstanding. Well, thanks for all your time on these interviews.
That was easy.
We'll do some follow-up in the coming weeks.